During a freediving session, I found these beauties. And I immediately had an idea what to do with them. So let me show you what I mean. We have our Space Marine, but if we attach the claw to him, we have the Crab Marine. And the best part is, it even moves. Pretty cool, isn't it? So the first thing we need to do is to attach the claw to the miniature. To attach the claws to the Space Marine miniature, I will use two materials. It is Milliput, 2 parts epoxy, and pretty small super glue, because there is no creative projects without super glue.
Let's go!
My mama always told me I'm allergic to the fake. That's why I can look you in your ass and tell you ain't. I'm from the South, you know what I'm talking about. But she could pop it and drop it right in your bank account. I be like, what you heard, your body's out of control. The rat, then African gold. St. Jules on my chest, got my foot on your neck. Look, I don't play by mine. What you say about mine? You know I'm big stepping, walking through the door. And when I'm getting money, yeah, I'ma get some more. And they be like, who that? We that? Who that? We that? Who that? Take a picture, baby, let me step back.
I have just waited a couple of hours so the Milliput would harden, and I have good news and bad news for you. The good news is everything is stable and in place and it looks great. The bad news is while I was attaching the claw, I didn't notice that it's being blocked by the leg, so you cannot move it fully. You can just wiggle it a little bit, but at least you can move the claw. It is what it is, could have been worse, and I guess let's just keep going. First step is going to be to base coat it white, and later we will add this orange saturation, but as you can see the base color is white, and then we will add the orange. To be honest, I might have made a mistake because it was pretty hard to reach some of the places, so maybe next time I will need to base coat it before attaching anything to it.
I forgot to record the video transition, so let's just start painting.
Alright, so I just finished covering the miniature with orange paint and it looks better than I imagined, and it was also easier to do than I imagined. I think I got a little bit lucky because I painted the base coats manually, and because of that there are some imperfections, and then when I applied the orange paint on top of it, it created a really nice and really smooth blend. I am surprised that it worked that well, and I am happy that it worked. Let's now add those red bumps to really try to imitate the texture of the actual crab claw. So I just finished painting the red dot, simulating the texture of the crab, and it looks really convincing, and to be honest, it was easier than I anticipated. If you just take a quick look at it, you are not so easily able to tell where the actual crab parts end and where the Space Marine begins. So I think it turned out pretty good. And the next step is going to be working on the base. So I grabbed some sand and we will cover the base in it. One more thing, and to attach the sand to the base, first we will cover the base with glue, and then it should be smooth sailing. So I don't expect any troubles during this step. I think I used too much glue, to be honest. So that's a mistake on my part. So it wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. I forgot that I wanted to keep the stones free, so I just covered everything with sand and we lost some of the details. And I also used too much glue, so it is completely wet. So it wasn't such a smooth sailing after all. Let me grab a hairdryer. I just try to dry the sand. Alright, so in theory, I could have said that I'm already done. It is painted, the base is like 90% also finished, and yeah, in theory I could say that it is the end of the video, but I am not convinced that it is done. Let me tell you why. I was looking at some reference pictures of crab photos, and when you zoom in around his head, you can actually see that it is tinted blue, and that would be a detail that I want to add to the miniature, because currently nothing pops out, everything is orange. My process of thinking is, if we add some blue color around his face, it would pull your attention towards it. So I think that's a way to go. It might ruin the whole miniature, we never know that, but if I ruin it, then just rewind to this point and it is the moment I finish it, and everything after this point doesn't count. And with that being done, with these blue changes, I hope it turned out well. Let me know. But now let's take a look at the final result.